Hey there, I'm Hope Surratt. I am a life coach, and I want to thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Please go ahead and subscribe, hit that subscribe button so that you'll know whenever I'm uploading new videos. Today, I want to do a tutorial with you with my book, Dear Job. Dear Job is a prompted journal. It has 68 journal prompts that lead toward gratitude and clarity around your corporationship. Your corporationship is the relationship that you have with your job. So the intention is to really manifest what you want. You're going to do a lot of reviewing and figuring out if you're at a job that you love or if you're at a job that you don't love so much. And if it's the first part, is there any elevation that you can have at this job? Or if it's the second part, how can you elevate your life out of the job? So it's really a beautiful way to do an analysis of what you're looking for in life and making sure that your values and your purpose are being met. So let us begin. This is my second time doing this video because somehow the first one didn't do. So I've already got what my intention was. And my intention was to teach something new. And when you are picking up your copy of Dear Job and you need to set the intention of the purpose of your journaling in that moment. When you do that, then you're going to flip through and you're going to stop on a page. And that page is going to tell you what you are going to journal about today. As I review my work performance from this past year, I give myself a blank out of 10 because. All right, so this is excellent. So my intention is to teach something new. And the intention for this journal prompt, the newness of it is to encourage you to do a self-review on your own. I know it says from this past year, but when you have a goal that you want to accomplish, you go ahead, review 1 week at a time. Each week you are moving toward the goal. You don't have to accomplish the goal immediately. You accomplish the goal over time and you celebrate with wins every week or every day for that matter, as long as you're doing something toward accomplishing your goal. So as I do a review of my own work performance from the past year, I accomplished so many goals that I didn't even know that I had. I give myself a 10 out of 10. I got my certification. That's excellent. And I even wrote and published this book. You can't tell me that's not a 10 out of 10. So what about you? What is your performance? What performance review would you give yourself? What number is that out of 10? I would love to know. I'd love to know in the comments. I'd love for you to reach out and let me know. What do you give yourself and why? So once you've written down in your journal what that is, you really have the opportunity to track yourself and your accomplishments. And you get to make a decision. Are you satisfied with that number? Is there something you can do to improve? Or is there something that there's nothing more that you can do and you want to make some changes? Or are you just happy exactly where you are? That is a wonderful and amazing thing to know and feel and be able to communicate with yourself. So once you put that in here, you close it up, you come back in 6 months, you read this prompt and you say, in these last 6 months, there could be some changes that I'd like to make. So let's just say this journal prompt allowed me to accomplish the intent that I set to teach something new. Now, if you're noticing on this side, you get to put in your win for today. What did you do? It's not about big wins, it's small wins. What did you do that made you feel amazing today? Just one thing. You get to write 3 things that you're grateful for, and gratitude is the key to life. And then here at the bottom, today's affirmation. This affirmation on this page is my fridge is full of food that gives me strength. And I have to say, that is true for me. My fridge is full of food that gives me strength and happiness. So, if you have any questions for me, go ahead and reach out and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that this tutorial has found you greatness. See you on the next one.